When homeowners in Farmington Hills think about ways to upgrade their property, window replacement may not always be the first project that comes to mind. Yet, few improvements can transform the exterior of a home as quickly and effectively as installing casement windows. With their sleek design, superior functionality, and timeless charm, casement windows have become a favorite for homeowners who want to boost both curb appeal and value. Let's explore why these windows are a game changer for your home's exterior appearance. Elegant design that stands out. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door, creating a clean, uninterrupted pane of glass. Unlike double-hung or slider windows that have horizontal lines breaking up the view, casement windows offer a smooth, modern look. This simple yet stylish design instantly refreshes the facade of your Farmington Hills home. Whether your property has a traditional architectural style or leans more contemporary, casement windows adapt beautifully. They frame the house with crisp, elegant lines that make your exterior appear polished and well-maintained. That instant visual upgrade is exactly what curb appeal is all about. Maximized natural light and outdoor views. One of the fastest ways to improve the appearance of your home is to maximize how it looks from both inside and outside. Casement windows have larger glass areas compared to other window types, allowing in more natural light. From the curb, this makes your home appear brighter and more inviting. For homeowners in Farmington Hills, where seasonal changes bring everything from vibrant autumn leaves to sparkling winter snow, having expansive views is a huge advantage. Casement windows frame those outdoor scenes like artwork, which enhances the impression of your home's charm and character. Ventilation and functionality that impress. Curb appeal isn't only about looks, it's also about functionality that potential buyers or visitors can appreciate. Casement windows are known for their superior ventilation. Because they open fully outward, they catch side breezes and funnel fresh air directly into your living spaces. In warmer Michigan months, this feature makes your home feel airy and comfortable. People can sense the freshness just by stepping inside, which creates a strong first impression that complements the polished look from the outside. Energy efficiency that reflects quality. Farmington Hills homeowners also value energy efficiency, and casement windows are among the best performing options. Their design allows them to close tightly against the frame, forming a strong seal that minimizes drafts. When onlookers see new casement windows, they don't just notice the modern style, they recognize the investment in quality and efficiency. Energy-efficient upgrades are a huge selling point. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, they instantly elevate the perception of your property as well cared for and future-ready. That kind of impression is priceless when it comes to curb appeal. Customization to match any home-style. Casement windows aren't one-size-fits-all. They can be customized in various frame colors, finishes, and grille patterns to match the exact style of your Farmington Hills home. Whether you want a bold black frame for a contemporary edge, a soft beige tone to blend seamlessly with brick, or traditional grilles for a classic look, casement windows offer design flexibility. This level of personalization ensures that your new windows don't just improve curb appeal, they make your home look uniquely yours. Lasting impact on home value. Curb appeal has a direct connection to property value. Installing casement windows not only upgrades the look of your home instantly but also adds long-term financial benefits. Buyers often associate updated windows with lower maintenance costs, improved comfort, and enhanced style, all factors that can drive up resale value. Even if you're staying in your Farmington Hills home for years to come, you'll enjoy the pride of ownership that comes with a house that looks its best every day. Final thoughts. When it comes to instant curb appeal, casement windows deliver on every level: style, function, efficiency, and value. Their clean design brightens your exterior, their expansive glass connects your home to the outdoors, and their performance showcases your commitment to quality. For Farmington Hills homeowners who want an upgrade that makes a noticeable difference right away, casement windows are the perfect solution.